It's March 1st today, and as you can see behind me here, there's still plenty of snow on the ground on our property. But the temperatures are above 50 degrees, and we have a saying around here, if March comes in like a lamb, it's going to go out like a lion. They're calling for temps in the mid to upper 40s all week long for the first week of March. My concern is that March might go out like a lion. And as much snow as we still have on the ground, as you can see behind me here, these huge snow piles, we got to get those out of the way so we have room to put more snow or push more snow. So we're going to get the tractor out today, get the bucket on, scoop those piles up back there and move them to a different location so they can melt. And by the time the end of March rolls around, beginning of April, and we get a few heavy wet snowfalls, the tractor can do an easier job of pushing the snow off to the side and letting it melt properly and drain properly away from the building. So let's go have some fun.
While we let the tractor warm up, I shot some footage of what we would like to accomplish. The plan is to move the large piles of snow that currently sit in front of the pole shed over to the other side of the drive. Before we get the bucket on the tractor, we first try to push the snow piles with the intent to condense them, but unfortunately, it does not prove beneficial. After removing the plow and leaving it in the pole shed, we head up the drive to attach the bucket.
Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos of our John Deere 3038E. Thanks for watching.